Welcome back to For the Love of Math. You're here with me, Yolandi, and we are solving equations by completing the square today. We are looking at type 2, where our a is not 1. And our first example, we'll see here that the x squares coefficient is minus, not just 1, but minus 1. In that case, before we do anything, we have to change that a to a 1, which means we are going to divide each term here by minus 1, which would give us x squared minus 6x minus 8. Now, with that done, I'm going to just put down all our other steps that we're going to follow, just like in the previous example we did. And the first thing is to go isolate that minus 8, that constant term. So we move it over, it becomes a positive 8, and now we leave that space on the left-hand side for our new constant term that we need to complete our brackets. So we draw our brackets, we remember the square, and we leave a space for the simplified right-hand side later. So the first step now is to write the first term into the brackets, which is just x, because once again, x squared gives me x squared. Then the middle sign is always the one we're going to write down, so we write down that minus. And then this second term that needs to be put in here is just that 6 over here, divide by 2, and that gives us 3. Now we're going to fill in this block, and we square our 3, which gives us 9. Again, the sign is always positive. What I do on the left, I do on the right, and I just go and complete that blank by saying 8 plus 9 is 17. Now we need to go and start solving x, and by doing that, we need to get rid of this square, and we do that by drawing the square root on both sides, but remember, plus minus on the right-hand side. Then, to solve x, we now isolate it by taking that minus 3 over, and we get 3 plus square root 17, plus minus. Then, this is already in simplest third form, so the next step would just be 2 decimals if they ask for it, which is minus 1,12 or 7,12. That's it. Hope this helped.